We know it's a very auspicious day, a holy day filled with grace of Bhagwan, the grace of all the Gurus, Gurujan, as they say, and even to remember his name, the Guru's name. We also know that Bhagwan had said, for the most intelligent, Guru's holy feet and the Guru mantra will do. It is the fastest, shortest, most glorious and highest path. And Bhagwan also had said, not a single Nama goes waste. And even to remember a small gesture of Bhagwan, to recall whatever is interesting to us, any experience, anybody had. Bhagwan said, that is Amrita, ambrosia, nectar, that gives you more spiritual benefit than a very hardcore tapas in the wildest forests for thousands of years. What a blessing! What grace! What compassion! Who could say this except our Guru, who is at once mother and father to all of us? And Bhagwan is at once Brahma, Shiva, Mahavishnu. He is the supreme God. So let's remember today a Leela of Bhagwan, relive the Leela enjoyed by a devotee, a great devotee, who was called Yogi by Bhagwan. There was one Kamala who was always referred to as Yogi Kamala by Bhagwan. She was very devoted to Bhagwan. In her very young age, she lost everything. There was nobody and there was nothing left for her. And that became a great blessing. She began to depend only on God. And she began to travel widely to all those holy places with some friends. And she would often come across great souls. And that was her only strength in life. Once, when she visited Kashi, she wanted to get a shawl for our Bhagwan with the mantra, Om Shri Ram, Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya. She ransacked all those street shops, but nowhere she could find one with Om Shri Ram, Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya. Every shawl had only Om Namah Shivaya, because Varanasi is a great Shiva Kshetra. Anyway, reluctantly, she bought one. And when she brought it to Sannadhi Street house to offer to Bhagwan, Bhagwan looked at her and smiled. Not a single detail would ever escape his attention. The all-knowing Bhagwan simply smiled, took the shawl from her with great fondness, and then he held it in his hand and with one hand at it, he just waved it strongly in a very strange gesture, and then spread it around himself, all with a smile. And to her great wonder and surprise and delight, she saw the mantra Om Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jai Jai Ram, where it was previously Om Namah Shivaya. She went through all the streets of Kashi to find one single shawl with the mantra Om Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. And she got it finally only in Bhagwan's hand. She understood, and we all understand from this, that one single thought of Bhagwan could change everything. In a fraction of a second, with one gesture, he changed the mantra from Om Namah Shivaya to Om Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, and that for the sake of her delight. Now this Bhagwan is our Kamadhenu, Kalpataru, Chintamani, that precious stone, the wish-fulfilling stone, wish-fulfilling tree, the wish-fulfilling divine cow. And his name is all that because he lives in that name, Yogi Ramsuratkumar. So let's appeal to his generosity and compassion, which is boundless. Bhagwan, we beg you again and again, crores of times, to kindly intervene, and immediately at that, and free this humanity once for all from the clutches of these virulent viruses, and bring back a dharmic normalcy in every aspect of life, everywhere in the world. And Bhagwan, we beg you again, we go on begging you for uprooting the panic which causes more devastation than the pandemic, and all the dirt of the mind, as you used to refer to them, the jealousy, anger, self-pride, grief, and above all, the desire for one thing after another. And Bhagwan, please arrest the rapid spread of the diseases and enter all those medicines so that they would work to kill the crowd of viruses. And all these people who are still suffering for some reason or the other from the pandemic, please reach out to them and do the needful so that they get well soon. And again, those great warriors of hard penance, who at the very risk of their lives fight the diseases against all odds. Please bless them with your protection and all-round welfare. We also beg you to give a boost to economy, and above all, please bless us with constant remembrance of your name. Let us be a willing and good instruments in your hands, only in your hands, not in the hands of Maya, so that we could go about our daily life as an offering to you. And above all, that supreme blessing of complete purification, so that we could see only your presence, your blessings, your leelas in every happening of life, everywhere. On this holy, auspicious day,